So far we have learned how to create arrays, access elements, use vectorize operations, aggregate data, reshape arrays. In this video we will learn about matrix multiplication. I am in VS Code. First I will import NumPy. Now I will create two NumPy arrays, one from the list 1, 2, 3 and another from the list 4, 5, 6. If we multiply using asterisk, output will be 4, 10 and 18. This is element-wise multiplication. Index 0 is multiplied by index 0, index 1 is multiplied by index 1, and index 2 is multiplied by index 2. This is not matrix multiplication. Now let's understand what a dot product is. If we have two vectors, A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 4, 5, 6. The dot product means multiply corresponding elements, then add the results together. So step by step, 1 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 6. Now add them. That becomes 4 plus 10 plus 18 is 32. Now we can do the same by using the dot function of the NumPy library. Let's print the value and run the code. 32 is printed on the terminal. So NumPy performed the element-wise multiplication and summed the results internally. Let's go step by step and see how the multiplication actually works. We have two matrices. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and matrix B is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now matrix multiplication works like this. Take a row from the first matrix, multiply it by a column from the second matrix, add the results. That gives one value in the result matrix. First row of A is 1, 2. First column of B is 5, 7. Multiply and add them. First element will become 19. Now calculate the second element. First row of A is 1, 2. Second column of B is 6, 8. Now the second element will become 22. Let's calculate the third element. Second row of A is 3, 4. First column of B is 5, 7. Now the third element will be 43. Lastly, calculate the fourth element. Second row of A is 3, 4. Second column of B is 6, 8. So the last element will be 50. So the final result becomes 19, 22, 43, 50. Now in NumPy, you can compute this using this or this or this. All three perform matrix multiplication. The @ operator is the most common and readable in modern Python code. Now let's run this code. The result matrix is printed in the terminal. Matrix multiplication works only if number of columns in first matrix equals number of rows in second matrix. For example, if matrix A shape is 2, 3, so matrix B shape must be 3, something. Inner dimensions must match. If not, you get an error. If matrix A shape is 2, 3 and matrix B shape is 3, 4, so the result shape will be 2, 4. Outer dimensions remain, inner dimensions disappear. That is the rule. Sometimes shapes don't align. For example, if the matrix X shape is 100, 5 and the matrix W shape is 1, 5, then multiplication will fail. You might need to transpose the matrix, since transpose changes orientation. You can take this as your practice task. Create matrix A of shape 3, 2 and matrix B of shape 2, 4 and multiply them. Check the resulting shape. Then try an invalid multiplication and observe the error. So today we learned element-wise versus matrix multiplication, dot product, and transpose uses. In the next video, we will explore NumPy linear algebra functions like inverse, determinant, and norm. Thanks for watching. I am Aksa Zafar, and on MLTude, I teach data science and machine learning in a simple step-by-step way. Practice a little and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTude for more AI and machine learning tutorials.